So it's 2018, and in a world where technology is literally taking over everything that we do, you still don't have your money working for you. Well, don't panic. My name is Rico, and the opportunity that I'm about to present to you is literally changing thousands of lives around the world, and you could be next. You see, I don't have to tell you how much things have changed over the last 10, 20, or even 30 years. There's over $1.2 trillion in student loan debt. Our friends and loved ones are consistently being laid off with no backup plan, and the cost of living continues to increase while the wages stay the same. So with that being said, it's time to do something different so that you too can get a different result. IMarketsLive is a first-class Forex education and service provider. Operating in over 120 countries around the world, our company is privately owned and completely debt-free. So why is everyone choosing us over every other Forex thing out there? Well, let's fill you in. We have some of the best possible leadership there is in both the network marketing and Forex space. I mean, to be honest, we kind of just dominate. With our IML Academy, you have access to over 60 pre-recorded videos in multiple languages teaching everything from the basics of Forex to advanced, mindset, and even different trading strategies. So whether you're watching this video and like I was about 3 years ago, you have no idea what Forex is or how to even trade it, or maybe you've already been involved, you've been trading on your own and you're just looking to enhance your skills a little bit more, our platform has just what it is that you're looking for. But it doesn't stop there. We also have over 75 hours a week in live trading sessions. All throughout the day, you can literally hop on and watch some of our market experts trade and train right there in front of you. It's super hands-on, and it's kind of like sitting in the classroom, learning from the teacher, and while you're learning, the teacher's actually giving you the answers to the quiz anyway. How cool is that? Our company also provides tools to make your trading experience that much easier. And one of my favorites is an app called Swipe Trades. Swipe Trades is a copy and paste Forex alerts application that can be downloaded from whatever app store you have access to on your phone. And once downloaded, you'll be receiving live trading signals from our experts who do all the research, all the analysis, so that you don't have to. Once they found a trade that they think might be profitable in the near future, you'll receive a notification on your phone letting you know exactly how to execute that trade, what point to get in, and even what point to take profit.
Telling me to set a stop loss at 1.29. So I just got to copy it. I'm being careful, I'm following the rules, and I'm managing my risk much better. So
I was like annoying Gavin, this can't be real. This is ridiculous. It's just too easy.
Yeah, that's what I love about this company, man. You don't need any prior experience to make money. Once you utilize the products and services, you can make money with Forex, man.
You want to make sure you got that sell limit, so you're going to click on market execution. You got the sell limit. Good job. Now press place. There you go. 12-year-old kid. Guys, if he can do it, you can do this. Very easy.
We live in a world that strives on convenience, and with no trading experience needed, there's a strong need for what our Swipe Trades app has to offer. But Swipe Trades is just one of our many convenience tools. And another one that seems to be a customer favorite is our very own harmonic scanner. Whether you're experienced in the markets or somewhat new to the whole trading scene, the harmonic scanner is a high probability confirmation tool that scans the markets to help you increase the chances of long-term profit. And the best part is that you won't find this anywhere else because this software is privately owned by us. Our web analyzer features a proprietary in-house algorithm that scans the markets for you on multiple time frames and seeks out the most precise entry points for a potential trade. It'll let you know all the details for entry, and based on your trading strategy, you decide whether or not you think the trade is good for profit. But here's the cool part. Let's say you don't have your own trading strategy just yet, or maybe you're just looking for a new one. Our company offers a few simple step-by-step strategies that you can actually choose from, study, and take full advantage of with our analyzer. You see, our company likes to take care of its customers, and unlike most other service-based companies out there, we aren't going to just get you started and leave you to learn and figure everything out on your own. Our trading program offers complete product setup and weekly mentorship. And if that isn't enough, how about trades and analysis from our very own CEO and founder, Christopher Terry himself. In my opinion, this is the perfect platform for you to learn and potentially earn at the same time. And our numbers, well, they speak for themselves. Over 70,000 active customers and growing with a mission to impact the lives of 1 million people by the year 2020.
At the moment I'm doing this video, IMarketsLive rocks. I want to get that in real fast before my battery dies.
You know, daily swing trades from our CEO, Chris Terry. The guy is a beast trader. It's insane.
The IML Academy is one of the main reasons why I got started with IML. Because I was a trader, I wanted to level up my trading skills, and after like 2 or 3 months using the IML Academy, my trading level has skyrocketed.
And I was trading live with one of the traders on his live session, and he called out a trade. I took it. I made a decent amount of money in that one trade. So
here's the big question. How can you be a part of all this? Well, it's simple. There are companies out there that would charge thousands upon thousands of dollars for training courses and education while not even offering half of what it is that we have here with iMarketsLive. And if you've already been a part of the trading scene and you're not very new to this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But our corporate leadership truly has a vision to empower, enrich, and educate people from all around the world. And with that being said, to get started with our program, it's only a one-time fee of $195 plus tax, and after your first 30 days, just about $5.38 a day, which comes out to $161 a month, which is honestly less than the average spent daily on lunch money. So with that being said, the person that brought you here showed you this opportunity out of trust and respect. And whether or not you decide to get started today, this video will continue to be shared to thousands of people all around the world who are looking for an opportunity just like this one. You could be at the right place, at the right time, with the right people. But if you fail to take advantage of the moment, well, it's almost as if that moment never even existed. And remember, excuses only sound best to the person making them. So when this video is done, get back to the person that brought you here and let them know whether you're in or if you're out. Trust me, no feelings will be hurt. This is your chance, your opportunity to take full control of your life and your financial future. So wait no longer. Get back to the person that showed you this video and come join the movement today.